This week, we have both Jack Santiago, Regis Bowie, and Rainier Mann. Coach, congratulations with this victory. First time na nanalo ang UV against Ateneo in 9 years. Another achievement. So, what can you say about your team's performance? You outscored them 32-17 in the fourth quarter. What can you say about your team?
Well, again, challenge ko lang yung mga players ko last practice because again, nasira na naman yung aming rotation because of one of my player got injured again. It's Ethan Galang who's suffering right now with the knee problem. So, na-challenge lang sa akin yung mga bata na especially those players na coming off the bench na they need to step up and feel nila yung spot ng kay Ethan Galang. And I'm so happy again with the boys. They responded very well again.
Thank you. To Regis Bowie, you had 80 points, 15 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, 1 block in a no relief job, 40 minutes. So, what can you say? What can you say that you're able to pull this through despite missing on your key players?
It is a good win, but I feel like, at the end of the day, this is a team sport, so, and we are all like, one big family, so Ethan was injured, so everyone had to step up, so I feel like, that's what we did tonight, so I'm just happy that we got the win at the end of the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Regis. To Rainier, you had 8 points on 3 of 6 shooting, 3 assists and 3 rebounds. So, wala yung isa sa mga key players nyo, pero ikaw isa sa mga nag-step up. So, ano yung kailangan nyo gawin para mag-tuloy-tuloy itong winning streak nyo? Dahil lang papalapit na tayo sa pagtatapos ng first round.
First of all po, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos dahil binigay niya po sa amin yung panalo. Yung sa lang po, kahit kulang po kami ngayon na naglaro, pero ginawa lang po namin yung best namin at tiwala lang po sa sarili at kay coach na lagi siyang nagpupush sa amin na maging mabuting player. Yun lang.
I think the floor is open for questions.
Sa'yo, Rainier, ano lang yung naging tumatakbo sa isip mo nung nabigyan ka ng chance nung dulo ng court na makakuha ng 2 crucial 3 points?
Yung nasa isip ko lang nung 2 crucial 3 points ko, talagang nagtiwala lang ako sa sarili ko. Talagang ginawa ko lang yung best ko kasi laki din ng tiwala ni coach sa akin. Yun lang po.
Rainier siguro injured si Ethan Galang for this game wala siya. So siguro, ano na yung naging motivation? Isa ba siya sa naging motivation pa rin yung step up ka ba sa kanya?
Oo, kasi lahat kami, family kami. So, need namin ng support ng each other. So, kahit wala yung isa, at least meron mag-step up sa amin.
Coach, napakit niyo in the previous game sa Sibuelo, may green tension from sa ito. But it was also sa Ethan Galang. Si Rainier ba, isa din siya sa mga players na may green light na
Well, actually, lahat naman sila may green light sa akin to shoot. Ang inaano ko lang sa kanila, it's yung kailangan good shot selections tayo. But all of my players has a green light to shoot sa akin. Yeah.
Ang also coach si Welo 4 of 5 sa shooting ngayon, pero nung nakaka-contest si Rainier, siya yung nag-assist most of the time. So, siguro, ano lang sinasabi nung about the unselfishness of Welo?
Well, actually, yun yung reason why nandito siya sa amin. When I recruited him, yun yung mga factors na nakita ko sa kanya. Na he can slash, he can shoot outside, and he can pass the ball sa mga teammates. That's why nagtitiwala ko siya when he entered the court. Alam ko na he is capable of helping the team.
Coach, 4-2 record kayo ngayon, for straight ways, third game sa standings. Siguro, with one more game to go sa first round, siguro gano'n ka-please lang kayo, sa performance sa team na kumbaga after the first round mo, nasa final four spot mo.
Well, actually, yun ang lagi kong hinihiling sa mga bata na kailangan namin mag-improve yung standing namin kasi this yung mga last few games, this is very crucial for us or even sa other teams because this is aside from maganda yung standing mo but also I consider this as positioning na that's why as much as possible we want to break away na dun sa pack. Yeah.
For Precious sa start ng season siguro medyo hindi pa sure kung saan yung magiging place ng UP sa standings. Pero now that you're in third place, are you starting to believe that you can really be in the final four this year?
Who, me? We have always believed, ever since the start of this season, like, our number one goal is to make the final four, whatever it takes. So I think we just have to be consistent and play as a team. Yeah.
Nung off-season po namin, nung start po ng January, talagang pupukan na po talaga kami sa ensayo. Kasi si Coach nag-push po talaga sa amin na gawin namin yung best namin kasi para preparation for the season. So lahat kami may kanya-kanyang tiwala sa mga teammates. So para makuha namin yung goal namin na makabalik sa Final Four.
Over Coach, Precious played all 40 minutes today. Was it by design for him to play the entire game? I guess what can you say naman how he stepped up to that challenge?
Yeah. Actually, si Precious naman, he is in good shape, no? To me, as a coach, alam ko na kaya he can play for 40 minutes. The thing lang with the mga previous games namin, na-foul trouble lang siya. And if you notice, nag-change kami ng defense from man to zone. So meaning, hindi siya masyadong mapapagod kasi nandun lang kami sa isang area. So yun yung game lang talaga namin.
For Precious, how did you handle playing, I guess, all 40 minutes a day?
This is my job, this is what I do for a living, so I am ready to play 100 minutes, 40 minutes, I'm ready to die out there, this is what I signed up for. So yeah, I'm ready for the challenge, whatever it takes,
Kung siguro gano'n sa feeling na may better opportunities ka kay Rainer, kay Ethan, kay Melis, siguro gano'n ka helpful na lang din further improving this campaign this season?
Well, honestly, ako as a coach, yun nga yung sometimes nagiging problema ko. Because I know that all of my players, especially dun sa 1, 2, 3 position, I know that all of them are capable of playing. So sometimes, nakakaroon pa nga ako ng problema kung sino yung bubunutin o gagamitin ko. But ako lagi kong sinasabi sa mga batang yan na we cannot afford na maglaro kayo ng all together. It's only 40 minutes divided by 16 players. It's around 2 minutes 30 seconds lang. So talagang medyo shorten yung rotation. But of course, sina-challenge ko sila na every time na you enter the court, kahit na 2-3 minutes yan, just give your best. Maybe I take this opportunity also that I'm so happy with my Nico Muling Tapang played, no? Quality minutes, but again, he step up nung first few quarters. Si John Abid, medyo off siya, so at least I'm so happy that nag-step up si Nico.
Coach, facing Adamson this Sunday, your thoughts of playing Adamson, especially ito na, nag-umpisa na yung labanan sa pwestuhan na sa Final Four.
Well, again, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga bata, it's a good win let's enjoy the victory, but tomorrow go back to reality kami. Knowing Adamson, they played well last few games. They have a big rest. I mean a long day rest. So for sure they're gonna prepare for us this coming Sunday. So kami basta gagawin lang namin yung trabaho namin and hopefully makaisa rin kami sa Adamson.
Congratulations, Coach. Yeah.
Thank you.